Hello there. Do you know it's possible to use Expression products and get your full money back? Of course it's a reality, and I'm here to tell you all you have to do. With the Expression All Money Back Fund, it's a reality. All you have to do is buy either of our braids, weave, dreads collection, and even our wigs. You will find on each of our original products this quality signature, a hologram which represents 1,000 points. You would also need a points book like what I have here, which is obtainable from any of our distributors nationwide. Once you get it, all you have to do is buy the product, use it, and do not dispose the pack. On each of our products, you have the hologram. Gently peel it off, and once you do that, you peel off the space on the points book gently. Also, it has a sticker, so you place the hologram on it. Each one is 1,000 points, and then voila. So now, before submitting, you fill all your details and share your progress reports with us on our social media platform, be it Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. In this promo, you stand a chance to win amazing household appliances like generators, gas cooker, water dispenser. These are the things you win for the first category, which is the bronze category. Secondly, you have the silver category, which qualifies you to win split air conditioning system, chest freezers, washing machine, and even a 40-inch TV. And the biggest of all the categories, which happens to be the gold category, you stand a chance to win a 43-inch TV, washing machine, split air conditioning system, bottle freezer, and even an audio sound system. Isn't that incredible? Just meet it. To track your progress record throughout the promo, you have to record your points, and that you will do by showing us when you get to the 3,000 points, which is the third sticker. You would also show us when you get to the 8,000 points, which is the 8th sticker. And finally, you show us when you get to the 10th sticker, which is the 10,000 points. The progress can be shown using the hashtag AllMoneyBackFund through any of our social media platforms. To qualify for the bronze category, you would have to get to the 12,000 points, which is the 12th sticker. Then you stand a chance to win the prizes there. For the second biggest category, which is the silver category, you have to make it to the 14th point. And if the biggest prize is what you're gunning for, then you need to make it to the 16th sticker, which is the gold category, the biggest of it all. For each category, the first 200 entries automatically qualify for an Expression goodie bag. So everybody is a winner. Don't forget, the hologram is all you need to look out for. And I'd like to encourage you all to start buying, styling, and collecting stickers. Enjoy your money back with the Expression All Money Back Fund. Let the fun begin!